Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix the missing executable error on Steam quickly and easily. This error usually appears when Steam can't find the main game file, and it often happens after updates, corrupted files, or antivirus interference. So if you're getting this error, follow these steps. Fix 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library, find the game that shows the error, right-click on it and select Properties. Now go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game and replace any missing or corrupted files. When it finishes, launch the game and check if it works. If not, continue. Fix 2. Run game as administrator. Go to your Steam library. Right-click on the game and select Manage, then Browse Local Files. This will open the game installation folder. Find the main.exe file of the game. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game again and test it. Fix 3. Disable antivirus temporarily. Sometimes antivirus software blocks or deletes game files. Temporarily disable your antivirus. Then open Steam and launch the game again. If it works, add the game folder to your antivirus exceptions list. Fix 4. Check Game Installation folder. Go to Steam, then Library, right-click on the game, Manage, then Browse Local Files. Make sure the main game.exe file is actually there. If it's missing, Steam cannot launch the game. In that case, go back and run Verify Files again. Fix 5. Restart Steam properly. Close Steam completely. Go to the bottom right corner, click the small arrow. Right-click on Steam icon and click Exit Steam. Wait a few seconds, then open Steam again. Try launching the game again. Fix 6. Reinstall the game, last resort. If nothing works, right-click the game, Manage, then Uninstall. After uninstall, click Install again. This will restore all missing files. One of these methods should fix the missing executable error on Steam. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more Steam fixes and PC tutorials.